Okay lang po ba na kinuha kong offer ng bangko na cash loan 0.45 at 0.55% for 3 to 4 years to pay pambodega kay BTC for long term po. Kapag sinabi mong 0.55, mga monthly yan, interest. So remember po ng Bitcoin ngayon, in a few months time, pwede na tayong mag-pick. We could pick at 90, we could pick at 100, 120. I don't know kung saan tayo magpipick. So meaning to say, kung ikaw ay nangutang for long term at ngayon kayo magbubudega, ngayon mo siya gagamitin, medyo nasa high side na yung start nyo po ng bodega. The challenge here is kaya mo bang servicean yung loan mo nang hindi ka umaasa sa price increase ni Bitcoin. Remember, 3 to 4 years yan. May cycle tayong sinusunod. Papik na tayo this cycle. Okay, nasa 4th quarter na po tayo ng cycle. Anytime we could peak, and pag nagko-correct si Bitcoin, it can go as low as 70 to 80% discount from its peak price. So kung hindi mo siguro inaasahan na ang ipambabayad mo ng loan yung gain mo kay Bitcoin, kung as long as you can service that loan for the next 3 to 4 years without relying or getting your funds na ininvest mo kay Bitcoin, I think okay naman. Pero ang problema dito, kapag ang purpose mo is kumita kagad ng quick money, tapos inabutan ka ng bear market, baka doon ka pa magbenta sa ilalim ng Bitcoin, tapos nagbabayad ka pa ng utang. Kumbaga, baon si Bitcoin, baon ka pa sa utang. So you have to be very careful in using debt. As long as kaya mo servicean, kung kumikita ka naman, may mga sideline ka na pwede mong pambayad dyan, okay naman. Pero kung iaasa mo lang din yung pambayad mo kay Bitcoin, mahirap. Follow for more Tito Moves.